Welcome back to the channel. Top 3. First up, the 1985 Kennedy half dollar, minted to honor the 35th President of the United States, John F. Kennedy, is a coin that has intrigued collectors and numismatists alike. While standard issues of this coin typically hold modest value, certain exceptional specimens have garnered significant attention and higher valuations in the market. In 1985, the United States Mint produced Kennedy half dollars at 3 facilities: Philadelphia, denoted by a P mint mark; Denver, D mint mark; and San Francisco, S mint mark. The Philadelphia Mint struck approximately 19,384,016 coins, while the Denver Mint produced around 10,939,524 coins. The San Francisco Mint, primarily responsible for proof coinage, minted about 3,362,821 proof coins that year. The standard composition of the 1985 Kennedy half dollar consists of an outer layer of 75% copper and 25% nickel, bonded to a core of pure copper. Each coin weighs 11.34 grams and has a diameter of 30.61 millimeters. The obverse features a portrait of President Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts, while the reverse showcases the presidential seal, crafted by Frank Gasparo. In circulated conditions, these coins generally hold a value close to their face value of 50 cents. However, uncirculated coins, especially those with high mint state (MS) grades, can command higher prices. For instance, the Professional Coin Grading Service (PCGS) notes that while coins graded up to MS 66 are relatively common, those achieving MS 67 or higher are scarce and more valuable. A notable example highlighting the potential value of high-grade specimens is a 1985 D Kennedy half dollar that achieved an MS 68 grade. This particular coin set an auction record by selling for $3,250 on February 7, 2023. Such instances underscore the premium that collectors are willing to pay for coins in superior condition. It's important to note that while these high-grade coins can fetch thousands of dollars, they are exceptions rather than the norm. The vast majority of 1985 Kennedy half dollars, especially those in circulated condition or lower uncirculated grades, do not possess significant monetary value beyond their face value. The notion of a 1985 Kennedy half dollar, whether bearing a D or P mint mark, being worth millions and transforming one's fortune overnight is unfounded in the current numismatic market. For collectors seeking valuable specimens, focusing on coins with exceptional preservation, minimal wear, and strong strike quality is essential. Additionally, coins exhibiting unique characteristics, such as rare mint errors or distinctive toning, may also attract higher interest and value among collectors. In summary, while the 1985 Kennedy half dollar holds historical and collectible significance, expectations of it yielding unimaginable wealth are unrealistic. However, acquiring a high-grade example can still be a rewarding endeavor for those passionate about numismatics. The 1989 Washington quarter, minted in both Philadelphia, P, and Denver, D, is a common coin in U.S. currency, with over 1.4 billion produced that year. These quarters are composed of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel, weighing 5.67 grams, with a diameter of 24.3 millimeters and a reeded edge. The obverse features a left-facing portrait of George Washington, designed by John Flanagan, while the reverse showcases a heraldic eagle with outspread wings, clutching arrows and olive branches, symbolizing preparedness and peace. In circulated condition, 1989 quarters typically hold their face value of 25 cents. However, uncirculated coins, or those with unique mint errors, can be more valuable. For instance, a 1989 D quarter in uncirculated condition has been valued between 30 cents to 85 cents, with some exceptional pieces reaching up to $625. Similarly, 1989 P quarters in uncirculated condition can fetch between 30 cents to 85 cents, with some specimens valued up to $465. Despite these higher valuations for certain uncirculated or error coins, the 1989 Washington quarter does not possess the rarity or unique characteristics that would make it worth millions of dollars. Coins that achieve such high values are typically rare issues, possess significant minting errors, or are in exceptionally high grades. For example, a 1932 D Washington quarter in MS-68 grade sold for $143,750 due to its rarity and pristine condition. To potentially find a coin of substantial value, collectors often seek out quarters with notable errors or rare variations. Examples include the 1934 double-die obverse quarter, which in MS-65 grade has fetched $28,200 at auction. Another example is the 1950 D/S repunched mint mark, RPM FS 511 quarter, which in MS-66 grade has sold for $16,800. These coins are distinguished by unique minting anomalies that significantly increase their value among collectors. In summary, while the 1989 Washington quarter is a significant piece of U.S. coinage, it does not possess the rarity or unique features that would make it worth millions of dollars. Collectors seeking valuable quarters typically focus on those with rare minting errors, low mintage numbers, or coins in exceptional condition. Therefore, owning a 1989 quarter, even in uncirculated condition, is unlikely to result in a sudden fortune. Next up, the allure of discovering a coin that could transform one's financial standing overnight is undeniably captivating. However, when it comes to U.S. $1 coins minted in 1980, the reality is more tempered. The 1980 Susan B. Anthony (SBA) dollar, introduced to replace the larger Eisenhower dollar, was met with public indifference, primarily due to its similarity in size to the quarter, leading to confusion and limited circulation. In 1980, the SBA dollar was produced across 3 mints: Philadelphia, P, Denver, D, and San Francisco, S. The Philadelphia mint struck approximately 27.6 million coins. The Denver mint produced about 41.6 million, and the San Francisco mint contributed around 20.4 million circulation strikes, along with 3.5 million proof versions intended for collectors. Despite these substantial mintages, the coins failed to gain widespread acceptance in everyday transactions. From a compositional standpoint, the 1980 SBA dollar consists of 91.67% copper and 8.33% nickel, measuring 26.5 millimeters in diameter and weighing 8.1 grams. The obverse features a portrait of Susan B. Anthony, a pioneering women's rights activist, while the reverse showcases the Apollo 11 mission insignia, symbolizing America's achievements in space exploration. Regarding valuation, the 1980 SBA dollar does not typically command high prices in the collector's market. Circulated coins generally hold a value close to their face value of $1. Uncirculated coins in mint state conditions, MS-65 and above, can fetch higher prices, but even in superb gem conditions like MS-67, they are relatively scarce and may command prices around $100. For instance, the 1980 PSBA dollar in MS-68 condition has seen auction prices reaching approximately $1,500. However, these figures are far from the million-dollar mark. It's important to note that while certain coins can indeed reach astronomical values, these are typically due to unique errors, extremely low mintages, or historical significance. For example, an 1870 $20 double eagle gold coin minted in Carson City, Nevada, recently sold for $1.44 million at auction, primarily because of its rarity and minting history. Similarly, coins with distinctive features, such as the 1860 O-seated Liberty dime with a unique freckled patina, have fetched prices nearing $192,000. In the case of the 1980 SBA dollar, there are no widely recognized errors or varieties that would propel its value into the millions. The coins were mass-produced, and their lack of popularity in circulation means many remain in high-grade conditions, limiting their scarcity and, consequently, their value. For collectors or individuals hoping to find a fortune in their pocket change, it's essential to focus on coins with known rare variants or errors. Consulting reputable numismatic resources or having coins professionally appraised can provide accurate assessments of value. However, with regard to the 1981 dollar coin, Expectations of unimaginable wealth are, unfortunately, unfounded.